Hello, hello, hello. How is everybody doing? The main idea for this channel is to provide value added resources for ambitious people to start and grow their own businesses. So, today is our first episode. What we are going to talk about? We are going to talk about that time is now. You can start your own business. This is the right time. You always wanted to take charge of your life, right? You always wanted to take charge of your life. Then what happened? The fear came in, doubt came, then worry, something or other always stopped you, and then pandemic hit. So many things are happening in this life, and still you are still wondering, can you take charge of your life? Yes, this is the time you have to take charge of your life, because if you don't take charge of your life, nobody else will, because this is your life. You have only one life to live. You can take charge of your life. Many times actually we are just comfortable in our comfort zone, but comfort zone is not growth zone. You don't grow in comfort zone. When you live outside of comfort zone, you grow. So why do you want to stay in comfort zone? Comfort zone, yeah, I mean, do you know the story of frogs? They were in water and they were comfortable. Then how do you boil a frog? You increase the temperature little bit. Yeah, they are still comfortable. They think it is a warm jacuzzi. They are having fun. And before they realize, the temperature is so high that they are totally boiled and they are dead. I don't want to say exactly that is the situation in the job world, but many times people do face through all these kind of situations. And I just want to tell that get out of comfort zone, take charge of your life. You have only one life to live. There are so many things which you can do as a side hustle. There are 50 plus ideas which you can do as a side hustle, and many actually don't even need much investment, just little bit of training. So much of training is available, mentorship is also available, and just get started. Find what is suitable for you, find your passion, monetize your passion. Just you can do lots of things without jeopardizing your current situation, your job situation. You can do that. Just want to tell that you have only one life to live, so why don't you live to the fullest potential? Why don't you have the best possible life? Yeah, means many times people say, oh, business, what is this? You know, if you look at our ancestors' life, most of the people, yeah, they were in their own businesses, and they didn't work for anyone. And many times, actually, even they just traded their services, their products, and that is how it happened. Then industrial revolution happened and all. I don't want to go into all that history. And then these jobs came, but the jobs are more like a slavery. It's basically you are working for somebody. Yeah, you get paid, but when you have your own business, you are your own boss. You can control your time, how much you want to work, and how much when you don't want to work. You can choose your clients, you can choose your customers. When you are working, you cannot choose your colleagues. So whoever they are, you have to just put up with them. And here, if some client means basically is not doing any ethical work, you can fire the client. You can get someone who is in aligning with your all the ethical values and all. You can actually serve them. So you also get actually all the rewards of your hard work. Means of course it is not going to happen immediately, but it will happen eventually if you follow all the godly principles, if you are consistent and persistent, if you serve other people, you basically become a giver, you become a value added resource for other people. You find their pain point, you provide solutions. Yeah, because you are getting paid for providing solutions. Everybody has problems. You find what problems you can solve, and you can provide solution. You can help people. Time is now. How long are you going to wait? You have one life to live. Life is flying by. The time is really going so fast. Pandemic came, pandemic went, and now we really don't know what's the future. But you can take charge of your life. You can take control of your life. There are actually, I'll be covering lots of points later on. There are many ideas which you can start as a side hustle. You just find what you really love. You find your passion. You share your passion, and you will get rewarded for that. So means it's not like that you have to focus too much on monetizing, but it is just you are sharing your passion, you are adding value into other people's lives, and you will get rewarded. Time is now. Don't wait. Don't wait. Okay. Time is now. You get started into your own business. Thank you.